Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, Sean's just taken off. We just gave the cows a whole load of, 11 bales of hay this morning. We figured we might as well give them some hay because they're going to have a hard time grazing. Well, they can. There's some grass here and everything. But with the snowfall we just had, so we gave them some last year's hay that we have left over. And they seem to be liking it not too bad. Looks pretty good for last year's hay. She weathered, the hay weathered pretty good. At least the cows think so. Pasture is starting to get a little, like right here, it's good in these areas here because this is a sandy soil pasture, and we feed cows here every year in the fall, and the grass starts growing good here now because of the manure. So we kind of alternate spots and build up the manure around here because grass doesn't really grow that great on sand. So, but yeah, the cows are liking the hay. Something different, I guess. Yeah, we got about just a touch over 2 inches of snow last night. As you saw in my last video, I was swathing the canola, and I just had to stop because it was just getting to be too much snow, and it wouldn't swath properly anymore. So just give up. Well, the cows really like that fine hay grass. Funny, you know, when it's growing they don't really care for it, but after you cut it and it's dry, they love it. It's one of our horn cows. We like to keep a couple horn cows around. I don't like horn cows, but in the pasture it's always good because of the predators. So you get one that can really flip them over and do some damage if that ever happens. Oh, I forgot a twine. Mr. Twine, excuse me guys. Twine out of there. There. Okay, you can continue. Calves are looking pretty good. These guys were really small when we took them out here. They grew up quite a bit. There was a few small ones that we took out here. Actually, I think the majority of these calves out here were pretty tiny when we brought them. So, yeah, just a quick video, show how much snow we got. It's actually starting to melt already, but it's still cold. You know, you're not ready for winter when I need a toque right now and a bigger coat. And in January at -20, I have no problem being outside with no hat or even sometimes. So you just get accustomed to it. It's funny. That's how it works, but yeah, we don't need snow now. We just barely got started harvest, so anyway, my feet are cold. I'm only wearing rubber boots. I don't have winter boots out yet. I don't even know where they are. I don't even want to know where they are right now. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you all later.